All right, party people in the place to be. We're back at it with the Mavic 4 Pro, and we're gonna do our first hyperlapse for sunrise golden hour. Screen record going, hyperlapse. Move that bad boy up there. The drone is up.
Home point update.
Let's do that first. Now let's go to hyperlapse. And we're just going to go course-wise. Lock course, and again, going here. We're gonna set up 25 seconds. Gonna kind of get the sunset and the streets when the cars drive by. We got a little action, and we're gonna start this bad boy. Said it's gonna take 20 minutes, and now we wait. All right, we got our hyperlapse complete. Let's see what it look like. Get out the drone.